Okay, here are your notes on section 6.4. We're talking now about work and power. Okay, so power is the rate of doing work, or the rate of which energy is used. Okay, so power equals work divided by time. Okay, and time needs to be in second, work in joules. Okay, and remember, work is the change in energy. So if we can find the change in energy, we can find our work, which then we divide by our change in time. So either of those units work. Okay, so we have power is in watts, work is in joules, or change in energy is in joules. Work and change in energy are equivalent. And then our change in time is always in seconds. Again, the unit of power is the watt, which 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Okay, efficiency is kind of the ratio of energy input to the energy output for any system. We talked about this a bit last year. Okay, our energy input, okay, is going to be always larger than our energy output. Okay, because there's always going to be some energy lost to friction, to heat, to air resistance, anything like that. Okay, and so we always got to account for that. Okay, similarly, power output divided by power input can also be used for efficiency. Similar things will happen, like the power output will always be less. Okay, in a non-isolated system, energy is always lost to the surroundings, so a machine or a system can never be 100% efficient. Okay, using your textbook, you can look over this example. Okay, I will go over some more examples, okay, on a separate video. Okay, some of the formulas we're going to be using, these are all in your formula sheet. Okay, but power equals work over time, which we talked about. Again, the definition of work is force over times distance. Okay, and so that means that we can have power is equal to force times distance divided by time. Our V average is change in distance over change in time. So we can put that over into this formula. We can substitute V average in. So we can finish with our power equals force times our velocity or speed, average speed. Okay, another example of your textbook. Okay, and like I said, I will be doing some examples and stuff, and then your assignment's already posted. Okay, it's just 4 questions. Okay, to see if you can kind of figure these out. So make sure you're kind of reading over pages 324 to 329. All right.